Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to set up NFC and contactless payments on your Honor 600 Pro. First of all, let's enable the NFC. That we can do by simply swiping down the control center on our smartphone, opening more settings, finding NFC in here, and then just tap on this tile to enable the NFC on your smartphone. To use it, you just have to put the back side of your phone, the top back side of your phone, to the terminal or any NFC reading machine and let it do its thing. Now, to add cards to your smartphone, you're gonna have to use Google Wallet application. Now, it should be pre-installed and available in Google services right here, but if you can find it here, you can still download it from the Google Play Store. So just enter the Google Play Store and download the Wallet application. Then sign into your Google account once you're here. And now if you want to add a new card, tap plus and then select payment card, then select new debit or credit card, and then you're gonna have to either take a photo of your credit or debit card from both the front side and the back. Or you can also select enter details manually and then simply provide your card number, expiration date and security code, your address, and then tap save and continue, and this card will be saved and you'll be able to use your NFC at any moment while you have it enabled in your control center. If you just push your device's backside against the terminal, it will automatically make the payment. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.